Like your cut, G. Guys, Senate Saturdays. Yeah, I haven't done any videos in a long time or anything. I haven't talked on the camera for a long time, but just want to say that I'm fixing up the helmet a little bit. I'll show you guys. This is the setup I got for my mic for when I go riding, but I'm about to put a riding video for y'all soon. But yeah, I just had to fix up the tape because it was coming off. The old tape was getting bad, so I just put some new tape on it. Yeah, I need a new helmet. This one's getting really small. But if you guys follow me on Instagram, on the Type 1 Fields Instagram, you'll see that I posted a transformation of the dirt bike. I haven't really done one for YouTube yet, but it's on my Instagram if you want to see that. I guess I'm gonna clean this thing. I'm gonna give y'all a little montage for the YouTube because y'all haven't seen like a transformation type of video, you know, for the new stuff I got. So we'll do that. So after I get done cleaning it, I'll show you that. See you then. Don't that make you feel good? You get me so excited. Show you on the road to rock star. Baby, let's go, we can go far. Yeah, watch the stars and go far. The dirt bike update. I mean, it's been going pretty good. I mean, we got some new stuff coming in, you know. We got some swing arm bearings. We got some shock, like replace the shock and stuff, and the some other things. I forgot what it's called. I got a new clutch in. I got the new disc, and I got all the new clutch discs in, and I got some oil and stuff. The clutch has been slipping. It's been staying engaged. It hasn't been wanting to disengage, so we're gonna try to fix that problem, and hopefully you guys, I'll provide some track content here real soon, because I've been really wanting to go to a track here, and me and a couple buddies are gonna go to a track, I'd say, so we're gonna have a good time. But I can't wait to provide you with some of that, because usually y'all see is trail riding, so it's a little bit something different, you know, it's different content, so we'll do that, and see how you guys feel about that. So whoa. Oh my god. What's going on? Just eating some tacos, man. About to tear this shit up. You know what I'm saying? Get some taco rice. Second one. Third one. Bowl rice, baby. Down the hatch.